have here is a 2002 Ford Focus, and we're going to be doing a wheel bearing replacement. You want to know how bad this wheel bearing is? Well, one finger. You can see it moving in all directions. Bad. Ugh. Ugly. So let's get started and get this thing going. Now, of course, first things first, gotta get the tire off. Here we go. Next thing we're going to do is remove the caliper. There's some plastic covers to protect the fasteners here. Get those pulled out and out of the way. Next thing you're going to want is a star bit, 45. And just remove your caliper. And then remove your disc. Now you probably see how much play that wheel bearing really does have now. Boy, she is screwed. And it should be a 32mm socket for that. Next thing we want to do is take our nut off for our axle shaft here. Kind of a weird design by Ford. Very different. Never seen one of these. Next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove the tie rod end. Just basically taking the nut out and popping the tie rod down. We'll go ahead and we'll take out our sway bar end up here, and then we'll take out our bolt for the strut. And we'll get the ball joint out of it. And then the steering knuckle will come off, and then we're right to where the bearing is. Take our pickle fork and separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle. And now our couple little caps here. There you have it. Sounds wonderful. So here we have the new hub, the bearing, the clip that keeps it from moving back, and a new nut that goes on the axle. This piece also comes with the kit just to help press it in. So here in the garage, I don't have a press to be able to press this wheel bearing out. But basically what will happen is I'm going to take it down to my local Napa. They have their own machine shop. They're going to first press this out, which this is inside of the wheel bearing. It's actually pressed into the wheel bearing. But first thing, they'll press this out, then they'll flip it over, and then they'll press this down and out, and then vice versa. Boom, and then boop, and it's done. Then it'll be held in for this, where the wheel bearing won't come out, is actually held in by this clip that's got a little recess in it and clips down in there. That's basically how these things work. If you had your own press, you could do this, but I don't. I do where I work, but I'm not driving 16 miles to press this stuff in. I'll spend whatever it costs just to drive up to Napa and let him do it. So, but yeah. It also comes with a new nut for the axle, or well, the half shaft, whatever you want to call it. And they also supply a press ring to help you press it in. So I wasn't able to get that part up to Napa today. A lot of things kind of went wrong here. But I actually took it up to the shop and pressed it out myself. You will need an arbor press to press that out. Well, not an arbor press. I basically put it all back together with an arbor press. But to get that thing loose, you're going to need like a hydraulic ball jack press to press that bushing and the hub out of the steering knuckle. But it's pretty easy job. Things to remember: you will need a 32mm socket to get the axle nut off, and some star bits, and just some basic hand tools. And then take it up to your, mine is Napa. That's where I would have taken it, but spend I think it was like $20-25 to have that pressed out. It'd be well worth it. So, and it was only $52 in parts. So, but that's, I'm sorry I didn't make the how to put it all back together, but it's just basically the same thing as taking it out. So, don't really need to waste the time. So, but I'm gonna get off here. I'm tired. I've been up all day. But thanks for all the new subscribers. It's been a while since I've actually looked at my channel. And my big Carson baby's whining. Yes, he is. So, but I'm gonna get off here. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'll try to get some more interesting material up. I got an engine here that needs to go back in the neon. I got a 99 Malibu I'm going to be pulling the motor out of and putting it into another 99 Malibu. I got a timing chain that needs to be done. I don't know if those videos will hit. I got a vehicle I need to go look at this week for possible next year derby car. So I'll try to do that one. That would be an interesting one for everybody to see. Get anybody's thoughts, get some comments going. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get off here and get a shower. So I will not see, but talk to y'all later.